couple more objects that we can render. Now hit spacebar to open up the Add Object menu. There's a couple things we haven't tried in here. We've already done plane, with cubes, circle, UV sphere, ecosphere, cylinder. But let's try a tube. Here's 32. Let's grab it, put it over here, size it down, and remember left click, another position to put another object. Remember there's points around that object, so we hit the tab button. So spacebar, add, mesh. Let's go down to here where it says monkey. And as you can see, there is a monkey face in this object. Hit tab. This was created by the Blender developers, and it's some sort of inside joke that most people don't understand, so we won't get into that. But you have a monkey to play with, too, also as an object. So let's go back down to view, camera, and that monkey from the view of the camera is facing upward, but we want it to look at the camera. So just rotate it a bit. So it's more facing towards the camera. Just do sort of like that. And then hit render current frame. So we have our we have our sphere, our other sphere, our cylinder, our monkey, our tube, our plane, our cube, and a non-existent circle. So those are some of the basic objects that are called meshes that we have already made in Blender. So let's go back to top view. Let's do something different here now. To select an object, you can hit the right mouse button. As you can see, a little pink outline appears around that object. So I can select my sphere, my other sphere, my cube. Here, I'll rotate out a little bit so you can see it. Cube, my plane. Oops, hit the G key. My tube, my monkey. And with this, I can apply the tools, like the grab key to this tool, to this cube when I have it selected. And I could rotate this sphere. Or I could make this cylinder bigger or smaller. So that's just how to select objects. So let's select multiple objects. Just right click, then hold down the shift key and right click more objects until we have them all selected. So let's go into top view and hit the X key, which deletes objects. So I hit the X key. It says erase selected objects. Click. They're all gone. Let's go somewhere in the middle here and add our next set of objects. So go to add. And right now we'll just go to meta ball. I'll show you what these do later in a second. So just make it a little smaller. Add a meta tube that's smaller. Move it